Top 5 Best 500 Series Compressor. Lindell Audio 7X-500,500 Series FET Compressor in just $249. FET Style Compressor. Variable mix control for precise parallel compression. 3-step switched attack times. 3-step switched release times. 3-step switched high-pass sidechain filter. Off, 100 Hz, 300 Hz. Phoenix Audio N90DRC 500 Series Compressor, gate in just $799. Unique design allows unit to run at 24V for true-to-form Class A operation. Class A, DSOP2 output stage with custom wound transformer. Frequency response, 20 Hz to 20 kHz plus 0.5 decibels. Ability to link multiple modules, up to 8. External input for gate section on TT Bantam connector. Rupert Neve designs 535 Series diode bridge compressor in just $999. 500 Series diode bridge compress with stepped controls. Onboard parallel processing. Sidechain high-pass filter. Stereo linking. Rupert Neve designs 543 Series mono compressor, limiter in just $999. 500 Series mono VCA compress.